Thursday, y'all. Look at my place. Hold on, I'm watching my show. Y'all, okay, so first of all American season 3, baby, get into it. Do you watch All American? Because I do. But this is what my place is looking like, you guys. So I am packing and I am ready to get the flack. I'm ready to get out of here. Okay, so yeah, we packing. My green wall is gone. Packing, ready to get the F-U-C-K out of here. Okay, so I'm drinking my wine. If you can't tell, finished it. And I'm packing. And yeah, literally, it's time to go. I need some fresh energy, some fresh vibes, and I'm ready to go. I'm ready to get up out of here. Wait till I tell y'all how everything has just been playing out. Like, these people are really playing in my face, but it's okay. It's okay because God got me. God got me. So I'm gonna keep on packing and show y'all the progress. I'll probably tap back in with y'all like a little later. But yeah, let me finish packing and I'm gonna do what it do. Hey y'all, so I'm at work Friday at work, and I don't think I ever took y'all through like a day in a life of what I do when I'm at work, but I'm gonna show you. So let me get my gloves. Pretty much all I'm doing is coloring hair all day long. So this is a project that I started on yesterday. As you can see, she is not done, but I started on the back, and I will insert the, well, I don't know if I can because of,
yeah, her unit, she ordered the 13-inch Angelina and we made it.
Because of the brand like purposes, I don't know if I can leak it, but I'll try to show like an inspiration picture, and then I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna do it. So yeah, stay tuned. This is as far as I got, and now I have to stop to go to the other location. I didn't even get to finish. I gotta go to the other location to help them out with services. So I'm gonna bring this to a stopping point and go to the other location. I got called over to the other salon, so I'm gonna pretty much be going over there. I look so dry. I look so freaking dry. Like all my stuff is like pretty much, like a lot of my stuff is packed up, so I just threw on whatever, and it's Friday, so I'm just like like I'm just trying to like focus on what I need to focus on and, you know, get this stuff over with. It's just but yeah, I wasn't expecting them to ask me to come to the other salon. I don't mind working over there though. It's just, instead of me finishing, like I really be wanting to finish my work that I be doing with the color projects. My lips are ashy and dry. Let me get over here real quick, sir. Oh wow, she really just ran across the street. These people be like going crazy on Melrose. I don't understand it. But yeah, so I'm like 60% packed, I guess. I'm for sure about to go over here in Trader Joe's real quick and give me something to snack on, because when I tell y'all they be having me slaving at this location. Literally, I be slaving. Sometimes I get a break, sometimes I don't. It just be back to back. So I'm like about to see like what, if it's gonna be super busy. But all I'm gonna be doing is just shampooing and braiding girls down to get their wigs put on. That's really what my salon assistant work consists of, if I'm not at the other salon coloring hair. So I actually really like it, but sometimes I just like to be prepared for knowing like if I'm gonna be dealing with people, you know, like, because there's a certain way like I dress if I know I'm gonna be chilling at the other salon doing color versus if I know I'm gonna be at the other salon doing and interacting with people. Then there's just, you know, you just have to like mentally like kind of like prepare yourself, like, okay, I know I'm gonna be working with people. But anyway, it's Friday. I'm moving between, so tomorrow, Saturday, after I get off, I'm gonna go to my new home, clean up there, just kind of get a vibe for like what I need to do over there, meet my roommates, and you know, just start cleaning up, tidying up to getting ready, clearing out any space that I need to so that I can get ready to move into my room. And then I'll probably bring over a couple boxes. Sunday I'm going to continue to do the same thing, bringing over more boxes. And Monday I'm going to be like, Monday I'm aiming to be fully moved out of the apartment that I'm in and moved into my new home, because I'm gonna be starting a new week, and you know, Monday is the 1st. So it's just been an ongoing battle with the apartment people. Like, they're just really like nasty and rude, and like they're not really like being cooperative with me, and it's just making this move very difficult. But at the end of the day, I'm just like, you know, I just gotta deal with it. It is what it is, you know. So I don't know, but all in all, it's been a good week. It's been an okay week. I've been feeling good this week. I am trying to decide whether or not I want to get a new car, or if I'm just going to pay the $700 for a registration renewal for California, because Maryland pretty much, they got in my business and they knew that I moved out of state. Am I in the right, because I don't remember coming across all of this. Maryland got in my business and they pretty much found out that I moved across state, so they wanted me to be able to put they wanted me to be able to have Maryland insurance, and I can't do that because I don't live in Maryland. So Maryland is trash, so I can't renew my registration in Maryland. I have to, at this point, get my registration renewed in California. But California is tripping because the registration fees are like out crazy. Like, I'm like, I might as well buy a whole new car for $700. Like, I'm so tired of like chalking up money for this car. And I'm like, it's just so annoying. Like, I hate this parking lot for this Trader Joe's. Like, it's literally like a box. And it's like, I ain't never seen like one way. How you have like a one way in a, I'm about to park right here. How you have a one way in a parking lot? But anyway, I'm gonna just go in here real quick and give me something so I can have something to snack on while I'm slaving. But I thought I'd just update y'all and let y'all know, since I'm doing like this weekly vlog thing. Just trying it out to see, you know, what I like best. But I gotta hurry up. Alright, so I'm at the salon, about to get out. I want to show y'all what I got from Trader Joe's. The T-Joes. Y'all know. Okay, so these pretzels are the bomb. These are my favorite pretzels, clearly, because I already opened them. I got my Caesar salad. Little Caesar salad. These don't be bomb, and I don't eat. I'm glad that they put like the cheese in a packet so I don't have to use cheese because I don't eat cheese. And then I got a tuna salad. Bro, these joints be fire. Like, slept on, but fire. Slept on, but fire. And let's just get this party out the way. I'm mad because I had called the guy to ask him or tell him I wanted to confirm my appointment. And he's talking about something, they don't got no more appointments for Monday morning. I'm like, Lord, child, don't do that to me. I'm trying to get this move out the way. Anyway, I'll hold up at y'all because my battery about to die anyway. Let me tell you something. Why the fuck? Okay, I just got back. I just got home. I'm getting ready to leave out to go take some stuff to my new place or whatever. Clean up because let me tell y'all the tea. Hold on. Oh, I just had to send a quick text message. So, somebody hit my car. I'm going to show y'all when I get out the car. But somebody hit my car. I literally just got back in my... I'm leaving my current home to go to my new home to take some stuff over there and clean up because let me tell y'all the tea. So, the people who was living in the unit, girl, let me tell you. The people who was, first of all, I'm pissed off because somebody hit my car. And I don't understand. Like, how do you just hit somebody's car and not say nothing? Are you dumb? Are you dumb? Okay. So, the people who was living in the unit before, or who just moved out, right? So it was pretty much going to be all new people, right? So, I don't know what's going on with this, but y'all need to get it the fuck together. Is what it needs to happen. So, let's go. Anyways, the people who just moved out. So, okay. Let me just give y'all the spiel. The people who had just moved out were pretty much like trifling AF. So, my roommate is pretty much all going to be all new people. So... I can't go this way? What's up? Hello? I don't understand what's going on. Y'all, oh my gosh. So, I'm gonna turn right here because that's what I want to do. Me and the GPS, we be fighting because like, what? You're not about to tell me what I'm about to do. I'm gonna do what I want to do. Anyways, so the people who just moved out, girl, they was trifling AF. So, it's gonna be all new people. I didn't even check to see if my tire... I just got too much going on with this car. I'm really pissed that somebody just hit my car. Like, somebody literally just hit my car. And I know it just happened because my car is black. So if somebody hit my car, I'm gonna see that. I'm gonna see your paint on my car. Anyway, basically what's going on is the people who moved out are nasty and trifling. They lied and said that they were going to get a cleaning company, and they didn't get a cleaning company. So now with the first falling on a Sunday, which is like so odd, and we trying to move in and everything, it's kind of hard with the way that the weekend falls, like the Sunday, the first falling on a Sunday, it make it hard for us to do what we need to do because it's on the weekend. So the girls who moved out, they were trifling. And so they basically was like, oh no, you know, we're gonna have the place clean and everything. It's not gonna be no need for you to take the money out the deposit. So basically they was trying to save their deposit, and instead of them cleaning or just getting a cleaning crew, you know what I'm saying, they said that they was gonna have the place clean. Well, they moved out. First of all, they moved out at the very last minute. Today's the 31st. Why are you waiting until the last damn day to move out? Girl, they moved out the last minute, okay? I know when I'm ready to get up out of somewhere, I'm leaving on the 25th, okay? I don't care. I don't care. I'm leaving the 25th. All my stuff is going to be packed up and I'm going to be out by the 25th. I'm not going to be dragging my feet until the 31st to move out. That's just crazy. I think they ain't had nowhere to go, but that's not my business. I don't know. But so basically, to make a long story longer, they left the place a whole mess. So that's pushing kind of like my move back a little bit. I can't move my move back no more because I gotta work. I already prepared and paid the movers that's gonna move my bed and stuff for them to move it on Monday. Monday is the 2nd. So I'm kind of pushing it at this point because I'm trying to be up out of this place that I'm at now by the 1st. Basically, they nasty, they dirty, so I'm going over here to clean up my room a little bit, but we are going to have to get movers, and they just going to take it out their deposit because, girl, it's just a whole situation. It's just a whole situation. But back to my car. So I'm coming out my house because I got some boxes and stuff. I'm about to take some boxes, you know, to my new place or whatever. And I'm going to clean up a little bit, you know, make my room smell nice before I move in there. You know what I mean? Girl, why I get up in here, why I get to my car and I see that somebody hit my car. It's a white, I'm going to show y'all, but somebody hit my fucking car and I'm pissed off. Because I'm like, what is wrong with people? Like, what? I'm mad. Because when I hit somebody's car, I will find you to let you know that I hit your car. That's what I did to that lady. The last time I hit somebody's car, girl, she had not even, you couldn't even see it. I don't care if it was, I didn't care how big or small it was. I was going to let her know. Like, and I literally, it was nobody around, nobody seen it, nobody saw what happened. And I was just like asking people like, hey, do you know whose car this is? But people don't got enough common courtesy to save a life. To tell and have some decency to tell somebody that they hit their car. And that's just beyond me. Like, I just don't understand. I'm so confused. I'm like, okay, baby, where am I going? Like, I don't understand what's going on here. I'm pissed off.